Something else we need to consider, which is, are we focusing on accuracy or fluency? And here it means that you're going to give your students extra time for preparing an activity related to accuracy, because if they have short time to prepare for it, they are going to make more mistakes. If they are preparing something related to fluency, this means here that you're not going to stop them on the spot trying to correct what they are saying, especially if it is a speaking activity. So here you're just going to let them speak, and you're going to set at the end of the class, take notes of all of the mistakes that have happened so that you can discuss it with all of the students at the end. You just tell them, let's make an agreement. We're not going to mention who did what. We're just going to mention the mistake and how to correct it. So this is going to work well, especially if you do not have still strong rapport with your students. One of the ways that you can use is peer feedback or peer correction. So here the students, you're not the only one who's sitting taking notes, but also the other students are taking notes of any mistakes that they hear or any errors, so that they can discuss it with you and with the rest of their classmates at the end.